We're going to take the governor out, and to do that we're going to pull the seat off first, and then this little cover here. On this one it's pretty easy because it's not even attached. Same with this cover. So to take the engine out, I'm going to pop this link here on this chain, and then you'll take that chain off, and then we'll go from there. A couple wires on front, one to unplug, one to unscrew. I got the chains off. Right now I'm just taking the bolts out of the bottom. So the engine's all ready to come out. The last thing I'm going to do is unscrew that little screw right there for the throttle cable. So the next thing I'm going to do is pull out these 4 bolts here. So I've got the oil drained out. Now we're going to pull this case off. I put these bolts back just so I don't lose them. We're going to take all the outer ones off. Alright, so here it is all apart, and next we're going to take this governor arm off, 10mm here. We'll pop that up. Once we take this top part off, we're going to get the arm to slide up and down and then just cut it off, and then we have that plastic gear to get out. I put a paper towel in there to catch all the filings. Some people use a Dremel. I'm just going to do it this way. I'd say we're about halfway cut through. So now I'm just grabbing it from the top with pliers and working it out. So I ended up finding like an Allen head bolt to put in there. So you gotta just stick a screwdriver down there and keep prying on that little ring, and then some of the plastic will break away, but that's okay. And make sure after you take the governor out, you get that little washer off the back too. There's one in front of it and then one behind it. Now the only thing we have to do is clean all the metal filings out from tapping the hole, and then we'll start putting it back together. So I got the timing lined up. So for my throttle linkage here, so that should function pretty good. We're going to go ahead and throw it back together. So there it is, Baja Heat with the governor removed, max speed 30 miles an hour. Traveled a little over 2 miles. I'd say overall it's worth it because I mean it's like a 30% gain in top speed. I mean the backfiring from the exhaust alone is worth it to me, but yeah.